Good morning and happy Friday. So today is November 15th, the first day of Christmas at Disneyland. I currently am at work and it is around 7:15-ish. And I am heading to the parks afterwards. So I just wanted to check in with you this morning and I will see you after school. Okay, so it is 3 o'clock. I finished school at 2:30. I did my duty and I cleaned up and I prepped for Monday. So we are ready to head to Disneyland. So it's going to be about a 45-minute drive before I meet up with my mom and my sister. I parked and I'm now waiting. I've changed my clothes and then I made these charm necklaces with Maddie last weekend and I made 2 Christmas ones. So this is my more green one, so it has a snowman, star, Christmas tree, wreath, little house, glove, another wreath, and little bells, and I think it's so cute. I think that the charm necklace trend is so cute, so I need to put it on and see what length I want it to be at. I think I want it a little bit lower. Yes, that's much better. Okay, so I have this on and I have black and white pants on, and then I'm going to wear my ears, but I'm not going to put them on just yet. Oh no, my bag is breaking. Anyway, but I need to take my hair out now to see if we have some texture, because my hair is kind of dirty. Much better. Oh, I was going to do my makeup. So I usually, if I'm going to Disney, I'll do my makeup for work, but I was running late this morning and did my hair instead, so I didn't do my makeup, but I have a few more minutes until my family gets here, so I'm just gonna do something really light. So the plan is to do all of the Christmas holiday things. I'm not sure what time Christmas Fantasy is. I know last year was 4:30, so I need to check to see what time that parade is, because obviously that's one of the best parts. The other best part is the fireworks. And last year I went to Disney during the holiday season probably over 10 times, and I only saw the fireworks one time. They still don't do the show. They do only the snow, and it's a different song, and I'm just why don't you just do the show without the fireworks? It doesn't make any sense to me. But last time, the only time I saw it was opening weekend. After that, they never went off when I was there. So fingers crossed we can see it. My mom last year, she didn't come with me that day and she never saw the fireworks. So fingers crossed, but it is pretty windy today. It was windier this morning. It's not as windy, so we'll see if the wind picks up, but we'll definitely stay to see if that happens. And mascara. I already had mascara and eyebrows on, so we're just touching it up. Slay. I'm so excited. I'll see you in Disney. We're walking now.
It was so nice earlier.
Jen. She took pictures for somebody and they were really happy. It was crazy. We missed the lighting at 5, but we are walking so we can go take pictures. My outfit today: ears from the small shop, Magical Mania ears, hoodies from Shop Disney from last year. Pants are supposed to be my jeans, but I didn't have time. Yeah, thanks. Okay, we got the photos and now we're going back for the parade. It starts in about 20 minutes. I'm so excited. Okay, this is our spot. We're in front of Jolly Holiday.
And happy holidays, one and all. It is so wonderful to see all of your smiling faces.
It's dinner time. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Mila, what are we eating?
Yeah, tell us what are we eating. Noodles, and we have the countdown chicken fusilli.
Is it good, Kayla?
Rate it. Thumbs up or thumbs out? Good. It's also good. Okay, so now we are in line for Casey Jr. We got in line for the carousel, but what happened? Do you remember what happened? It broke, yeah. The horses had to go to sleep. So we chose Casey Jr. Let me show you.
Caged animal.
I'm ready to be a caged animal. Pink or orange? Pink! Let's see.
We got orange. Oh, she's vlogging for us. What's up, everyone? We are the wild animals in the cages.
I identify as a lion. What animal are you? What animal are you?
Tiger.
What are you? What about you?
Bunny.
He's really excited. Let me out! Let me out! Coming down the track.
We're animals.
Bye. Not from us though. You're stuck with us for at least another 2 hours. So we are now in line for Big Thunder. We saw Maddie Musketeer. As always, leave a comment down below if you want Maddie Musketeer to revive her account. We go to Cars and then we decided on Big Thunder because it's open. Space Mountain.
Punch me in the lip.
So we finished Space Mountain and it's 9 o'clock, so we're gonna try and find a spot for fireworks. Last year it was crazy madness, like the street was full, so let's find a spot. Is there going to be fireworks?
There's no wind right now.
She says no. Is there gonna be fireworks?
I say yes. I'm optimistic.
I changed my answer, hopefully.
And remember those treasured moments. They're still there, deep within you, waiting to touch you.
Unfortunately, all the snow machines around us are
We weren't really in an
not,
optimal spot.
we're not really in an optimal location. It's not working. Thanks for coming to the vlog. We'll be back during the holiday season vlog.
Bye, guys.